Yo guys, what is up? And welcome back to another one of these math tutorials. So today what I want to show you is algebra and how to solve equations in algebra. So, you're probably going to guess the answers of these straight away, but what we want to look at is the strategy you use to find the answer if you couldn't. So, let's get started. So, here's our first example here. And and by the way, this is the way I'm going to be doing my tutorials from now on, is with a whiteboard. No, this is a dry board or something, dry erase board. So the first example is x plus 7 equals 19. So what you want to do is you want to get one letter on one side, which is not, and all the others on the other side. So you have to get rid of the plus 7. So what you want to do is you want to do the opposite of that, which is minus 7. And the reason is, well, to find your answer, you would have to take away from that, or in another example I'll show you the plus way, which you have to take away so you can get your answer. So minus 7 plus minus 7 is 0, and 19 take away 7 is 12. So there's your answer. X equals 12. Let's have a look at another one. Right, so the next example is x take away 14 equals 20. So again, you might figure out the answer, but we're looking at the strategy you use. So what you want to do is, again, do the opposite, which this time it's the opposite of take away, which is plus 14. Oh, actually, also, you want to get letters on one side, which is x, and you have to get rid of 14. And in order to do that, you would have to, instead of subtract, you want to do the opposite of that, and that's add 14. So 14 plus 14, that we already used the 14, so that's gone. So x is equal 20 plus 14 is 34. So there's your answer. X equals 34. We'll have a look at another one. Our next example is 8e equals 32. Now, 8e would equal 8 times e, which in this case, 8 equals 32. So again, you want to get letters on one side and numbers on the other. So the letter is e, and you want to get rid of the 8. Again, 8 equals 8 times e. So in order to get your answer in terms of e, what you want to do is, instead of multiply by e, you just want to divide. No. You want to, instead of multiplying by 8, you want to divide by 8. So 8 divided by e, 8e divided by 8 would be just e, or 1e. It'd still be correct, but it's better off just leaving it as e, as it is a more from y. And 32 divided by 8 is 4. So there's your answer. E equals 4, since 4 times 8 is 32. Let's look at another one. Our next example is c divided by 5 equals 3. So once again, you want to get letters on one side and numbers on the other, which in this case, c is the letter. So instead of dividing c by 5, you want to multiply it by 5. So times 5 times 5. That looks like a terrible 5, so the 5 is gone, so now just leave your c. And 3 times 5 is 15. So your answer would be c divided by 5 equals 3. C would be 15. Let's look at another one. So this time we have 4w take away 3 equals 29. So again, what you want to do is you want to get letters on one side and the numbers on the other. So in this case, W is the letter. And what we want to do is you want to get rid of the minus 3 and the 4. Since 4 times W equals whatever. So first of all, you want to get rid of the minus 3. So instead of taking away, you want to plus it. Which I did mistake. Plus 3. So that's gone. So that leaves you 4W and 29 plus 3 equals 32. So that's the answer for 4W. But now we want to get rid of the 4. So what you want to do is you want to divide by 4. So that would leave you with W equals 8. Since 8 times 4 is 32. And that's your answer. Let's look at another one. Right, so our next example is 3 bracket 2x take away 4 bracket equals 60. So in this question, what you want to do is you want to expand the brackets first. I'll do another video on that if you're not sure. But for now, let's continue. So 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 2 is 3 times 4 is 12. Equals 60. So now that you have that laid out, now you can solve the equation. So what you want to do is what you want to do is you want to get rid of the minus 12 and the 6. So we'll get rid of the minus 12 first. And in order to do this, you want to add 12 to both sides of the equation. So now 12 is gone, that'll leave you with 6x. And 60 plus 12 is 72. So 6x equals 72. Now you want to get rid of the 6, so you divide it by 6. And that'll just leave you with x equals 12. And that's your answer. X equals 12. And let's look at another example. So this time it says f divided by 4 plus 5 equals 17. So again, what you want to do is you want to get rid of the plus 5 and the 4. Divide by 4. So in order to start off, you'd have to get rid of the minus 5. And in order to do that, you have to do the opposite of the plus, which is take away 5. So that leaves you with f divided by 4 equals 12. Now I want to get rid of the divide by 4. So what you want to do is you want to multiply by 4. So f divided by 4 times 4, that just leaves you with f. And 12 times 4 equals 48. There's your answer. F equals 48. Now let's look at one final example. So for our final example, we have 5x plus 2 equals 3x take away 4. So what you want to do here is you want to take away the largest number, which includes x, and the smallest number, including x, which in this case is 3x. So 5x take away 3x. 3x and 2 on both sides of the equation. So 5x take away 3x will just leave you with 2x. And 3x take away 3x just leaves you with nothing. So it would be 2x plus 2 equals 4. Wait, no. Yeah, I think it is. I'm not sure, but oh. So now you can go ahead and solve the equation. 2x plus 2 equals 4. So you want to get rid of the plus and the 2. So instead of adding 2, you want to take away 2 from both sides of the equation. So 2 take away 2 would just leave you with 2x since that equals 0. 4 take away 2 is 2. Now you want to get rid of the 2 on beside x, so you'd have to divide by 2. So now you'd be left with x equals 1, which is your answer. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.